Morning, morning. Buenos días. Happy
Buenos
Tuesday.
días.
Today's gonna be packed. We have like Trump, Powell, PMI. What else?
Good
Conference not
morning.
till 7 though, right? Good morning.
Yeah, today's it's gonna be tricky.
See Powell on at 12:35, but I don't see
Yeah.
Trump till this evening.
I have Trump at 9:50. Like in 30 minutes.
Yeah, it looks
20.
like
Mm-hmm.
I see him at 9:50 and 19:20.
Mm-hmm. Is Powell gonna make the market go down? I hope so. I really need a pullback. Like a big pullback.
I hope so. I'm buying 19:20 if we get there.
Mm.
Or not 19:20, 9:17. Dyslexic.
I really want to see the market going down. Not only because I'll feel more comfortable trading, but also this is not normal, right? I don't even know why the market is so bullish.
I don't know. I ain't trying to question it.
Yeah,
Just
yeah,
enjoying the
that's
ride.
true. I don't read the news. I don't pay attention to any like economical data. Like, nothing. I just look at the charts. But it's just I want to buy a bunch of shares for my long term, and I can't do it here. Like I'm still buying a little bit, but yeah, I want a big pullback. So the levels that I'm looking on ES is 757, the top, and the bottom is 744. That's a little range that the ES has. And for NQ will be 27, almost 28, and 980 and 973.
Morning, good morning.
Morning. So ES and NQ traded on a range all night.
Good morning.
Yeah, overnight's pretty balanced.
Okay, the market's open.
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Morning.
I am a little late.
Oh man.
It's fine.
I driving to work, then I heard the bell. Beep. I was like, oh no, market's open. Shoot. I'm looking for you guys have probably already talked to what levels you're looking at. I'm looking for
Mhm.
under 70-ish
Yeah. Mhm.
and above, obviously up into the 26
Yes. Mhm.
on NQ.
Yeah.
In between there, I probably won't do too much touching. Twice that try to stay hands off.
A crazy difference between ES and Q.
What ES doing? Let's see. I mean, they're both still within the overnight balance, but yeah.
I mean, the difference is, I see what you're saying, LT. The difference is that ES is almost at pre-market high, and NQ's got a little ways to go to get there, right? So like, the ES is at
It's catching
pre-market
up.
high. NQ still has, oh, it's not much.
I'm,
Well, 25 points to get up there. ES
I'm
just
not
took it.
interested in anything in between overnight low and overnight high.
Me neither. Yep, 100% amped. Yep, I'm not touching below 26 or above 73. We'll let this play out.
Unless I trade the extremes and just trade the balance.
Like, what I'd like to see is a little sweep down to 70. See what that looks like. ES at pre-market high. See what it does there. Another point up and a point and a half up gives you the previous day high, right? So like 3:30 yesterday on ES. So we're kind of right at that previous day high too.
Okay, let's see how the NQ is gonna react here around the 70s. Okay, so we have NQ going lower and ES going higher.
I think we're just going to see a push towards overnight low and then a reversion back up.
That's what I'd like to see too.
Major selling though.
Also, ES is at a rejection point, right? Like pre-market high is a rejection spot. So
Yeah.
Swept overnight low with a big seller.
We have data at
7
9:45, so in like
that.
9 minutes. Ooh, nice hold.
still trying.
I don't remember who mentioned it, those 930 area, but I kind of would like to see us come back down a little farther.
You want
Yeah, I
930,
was
LT?
saying I want
Someone said like
920.
I'm
Yes,
closer to 900, right? Because the previous day, right? We look at previous day, we rejected off of 900 almost exactly, then came back up, tested it once, pulled back down, back up through, and then held it, right? So 900 for me is a little bit cleaner, but 920 that high there too also makes sense. I can see that too.
That order at 970 got swept.
Hmm.
Well, at least I don't see him on a DOM anymore.
Yeah, 970 we have negative 250 delta. The big push to try to push lower there, but nada.
Didn't happen. Yeah, that was a solid hold there.
Well,
970.
buyers
Wow.
stepped in at 982. Either somebody got stopped or buyers hopped in. Yeah, this is just a typical volume profile.
Let's see ES go for
Balance
that.
trade.
ES go for that high now at 56.5, give or take. 56 3/4. If we do get that sweep for ES over those highs, I could see us coming back down further, LT.
Yes, that is kind of wild. ES swept overnight highs and
Mm-hmm.
NQ swept overnight low.
Yeah, yep.
I'm not gonna watch two charts though. I'm not gonna fuck myself up that way.
Okay. Yeah, I think you're pretty weak today.
Yeah, major selling. We're entering in the volume node from yesterday here.
We had data in 4.
Solid selling still. NQ, wow. Okay.
I got to sell here at, or like a TP at 27. Kind of where like a couple hour blocks are, like the bodies are stacked up.
Yeah, I have a
But I'm
buy
just
limit at 920.
and I just got trails stopped out.
Hmm.
Okay. So those are
Another seller trying to hop in here at 956. See if he keeps it down.
you're like way quieter than everybody else amped.
Yeah,
Am
I
I?
think it's. Is your? I thought you were like sleeping. That's why you're talking kind of on a. You're kind of whispering.
Is it normally quiet or
Oh,
is it
geez.
just today?
That's a little
Okay.
better, yeah.
Whoa.
Oh
Blow
shit!
the eardrums out. No,
I
that's
didn't.
good.
Okay.
it was a stark contrast from like the whisper quiet to full voice in my ear.
Oh, it's pretty cool to see a seller stepped in there at 956 on that retrace and kept it down.
Hmm.
Nvidia holding that 180 level very good. But everything else looks pretty weak.
Wait, there's news in 10 seconds, you guys said? At 9:45.
Yeah, uh-huh.
Yeah,
Okay.
flash service and manufacturing.
We could have QQQ pull back to 600 today.
Feeling right now. These 2-minute candles do look weak though.
Yeah.
So much of a wick to the upside. It's crazy.
Yeah, it looks like a short coming up, but
Yeah.
I'm not trying to short it. I want to get
Yeah.
on
I'm
some
not-
pullback longs.
Well, that's me too right now, right? I mean, I know you guys looking at the 20-ish. I went back to 900, and that's what I want to look for a long, but this does look weak. But it's good, right? Looking weak is a good sign. It's good for us because that may give us the opportunity we want, which is the long. So, wait and see. So our orb low is at 942 and high is at 25,009. And then yes, it's at what, 755 and 748. Okay. Wow. ES going for the highs again? Sheesh. God dang. Okay. See if ES takes out 56 3/4 now.
Are we gonna have a new all-time high on ES today?
I find it hard to believe that with Trump talking, some of this news, that we would have an inside day. So, and I favor the bull side, so I think we'll see more all-time highs today.
Every single 2-minute. I mean, I'm just gonna show this to you guys in a second, and it's wild to see this.
I'm in short from the 70s, but I'm about to get stopped out on my. Well, actually,
No.
Don't say
You're
that.
getting
I'm
stopped
short
out.
too.
No. This is good. You're not getting stopped out. This is looking good.
Yeah.
well, I have a really
We're
tight stop.
That's fine.
yeah,
So
yeah. My fill was at 60, and I got to stop at 75, 80-ish. But that's also like orb 50%.
I might try a long here in a second.
just
Aggressive
counter trend.
sellers came in and they couldn't even break that last low.
We are
It's
like
very
at a
interesting here.
weird. Yeah, I was gonna say we are like at such a weird level here.
This is yesterday's low volume node, and it looks like we're just kind of repairing it, building volume, consolidating.
But Jet, like, I look at this, and that just screams like we try to buy up, we sell back down, buy up, sell back down, buy up, sell back down, like, and it's
Yeah, I got
hard.
stopped out.
So
Break even.
that's all right.
All right, seller popped up here and a buyer. Okay, little battle at the 60s.
I know this is a futures channel, but if you want to take something with shares or
Get
kind of like
out of
a
here! No, I'm just
3
kidding.
weeks out options, watch out for AI. If you can hold the view up, I think this thing can really move higher.
Okay, yeah. So this 950 candle had some aggressive selling, and we couldn't even break the intraday low at 943. So I'm curious to see if buyers get a leg up here. Some sort of passive buyer down here at the 950s.
Pretty interesting that the ES is still holding and is trying to break out.
Oh, it is like tough read here.
I'm gonna try. I wanted to hop in long there, but I want to see if I can get a little pullback.
Yeah, I'm back in on that 970.
We got really good reactions at the 70, 72, 73.
I really wanted ES to take that high though, so badly. Ugh, it would missed it by literally 1 tick. Yeah.
Well, I'm glad I fat fingered that long. I meant to hit buy market and then I hit flatten instead.
Oh god.
So
Sometimes that works in your favor. Those are the good
depending
days.
on how
The
we
bad
react at
days,
this low here, I might try long though.
just just looks heavy to me. I'm staying out. I'm gonna stay out till 900, which is the level I really wanted in the first place. I don't want to force anything, so I'm gonna be patient.
Yeah, me too.
I'm trying a long, trying to catch a knife. So I'm long at 46 with a stop at 37.
I still think we can go to a 600 on QQQ.
Is that above or below?
Below.
Just stay low for QQQ. That's above.
Oh, previous day low?
That's
Above.
below?
Above previous day
Yeah,
low.
okay.
I want that 925 order block. If not, 888 looks pretty good. Previous high retest.
Give me that 900.
Okay, I got stopped. Let's see if we get the 920. I mean, fuck.
LT, you still in?
Yeah. Yeah, I got a TP at 910.
Wasn't your TP at like 9:30 earlier? LT, you just dropping it down, or you
I
there?
got stopped out. I
Okay,
cut the
got it.
first one for like a little loss, but I
Okay,
added back in. Like I jumped back in and then I added a few more micros at 43. I thought
got
we
it,
were
got it,
starting
got
to
it.
get a little more of a follow through.
I want to see what this. We're gonna close this 15-minute and 30-minute here shortly, an hour. I'm curious where we close this.
Yeah, I do have a level at
15 on.
930,
Yeah.
but 910 will be the 600 on QQQ. 910,
Is there anything at 10
11.
o'clock? We
Huh?
got 10 seconds.
Mm.
Is there
No,
any
Yeah,
news
it's
at 10?
nothing significant. Some Richmond Manufacturing Index
Yeah.
and FOMC member Bostic speaks.
Yeah.
just assuming you get
All right.
your top of the hour
So,
volatility volume increase.
927 and 911 is yesterday's lowermost distribution area, which is where I kind of want to start really looking for longs.
Put an
We
order at
finally placed
910.
below the orb.
Put an order at
I have-
910 amp so you
I-
can get me
I-
out.
I have one at 920. Jeez, massive sellers at like 67.50 for ES. It's just not going lower.
I was gonna say, I feel like we're just hanging out there.
Yeah, sellers can't push at all on ES.
I'm gonna be so annoyed if I. Oh,
Didn't quite get down there.
wow.
930.
Okay.
All right, okay. Buyer. I might try to hop in with a buyer here. We'll see. Okay, then a seller. Okay. It's a little. Let's see who
So,
wins.
I
The
love
buyer
just sitting
stepped
here
in at
listening to
950,
Amp
and then a
walk
seller
through.
stepped in at 980. So
It's like I like this buyer. Okay, so no, yeah.
Are you watching Bookmap?
now I'm watching time and sales.
Gotcha.
I haven't really looked at time and sales since my options days forever ago.
See, like, so right here, I see it as we're right at the bottom of orb. I don't even know if you call this really a break and retest of the bottom. And then ES is starting to fail 50% of orb.
That is correct.
But I have like this long-term trend on NQ and we're right at it. It's 50% after pulling back from whatever the top was.
Yeah, we're just kind of hanging out here at least for NQ's 5-minute opening range. It's 200% negative extension. So
I have taken a total of 0 trades as of now.
Yeah, me too. With futures, I'm not touching these
Yes.
so far.
Yeah. Yeah, I want to be patient. I want the levels that I wanted from the beginning. I don't want to be forcing anything in here. So I'm just trying to be patient here.
Yeah, so far sellers are winning the battle for sure. So
Well, there goes ES. ES just is starting to
Oh
drop
wow!
finally.
Whoa! Yeah, it's a hard stop
Come
Nice.
on
on,
that.
let go. This 930.
Curious if ES now closes below that or below there. Let's close a 5 minute below. It's got about 1 minute left to see where we land. We got to close below 48 3/4, or no, 48.5. Got to close below that. And then it does set up a short.
Oh, come on.
Oh, tough action.
Jeez, yeah. These 930s were that level though that you guys were. Someone posted about it earlier, but
I think it was Amped, and I think it was also Roz, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, it's a 15-minute order block and an hourly order block.
yeah, I think
It's where
kind
the
of watching the same
base
thing, but
rally
I'm kind of
happened.
yeah.
Oh yeah, yep, I see it yesterday.
Mine's from 27 to 11. 927 to 911 is just what I see, sort of the volume shape right there. The bulk of it. So I'd like to get down in there to give a long shot.
That 930 bounce was perfect.
Hmm. Yeah, I think she's about to stop me out.
Let's see if 50% of this prior range holds, which we just kind of tapped at 57.25. Structurally, this would be a spot to short if anybody's looking short, but I kind of just want to see longs push all the way back up. What is 50% of yesterday's range? For some reason, it's not coming up on my.
I've been trading micros a lot more, and I'm still just not used to it. So like, if I was in minis, I probably would have already been like my target hit. So this is something I'm trying to like get used to.
Mm.
Like I could have covered at that 930, but I wouldn't have. I think I'm about to get stopped here if we
Are
pop
you trading
this.
micros on Tradeovate
Yeah, yep.
with
Yeah.
Tradeify?
Yeah.
I
Be
saw
careful
some
of those
chart.
commissions.
Someone was saying how bad the commissions are in Tradeify, like $5,
Yeah,
$5.50 or something round trip for micros. It was just insane.
yeah, I've seen that. I've just been trying to like baby these accounts here. I've taken I think 3 payouts, I think each time on these accounts. Or 3 payouts each on these accounts. So
If
I'm
anybody's a
trying to
market,
just baby them.
if anybody's a market structure trader, there's like almost a 1-to-1 there. Yep. Where's Byron at? 50% boy.
Yeah,
Take it.
that's his thing. Get that 50%.
Did you take it, Byron?
Is he in here?
Yeah, yeah, he took
Yeah.
it. I kn-
Yeah,
Hell yeah. It's a good trade.
Doesn't surprise anyone.
Fucking market structure. I don't want to short today. I don't.
I got chopped up in some short yesterday, man.
Yesterday was grindy.
I know. It's like I just had no read on it at all.
By the way, Trump is
Like at the
talking right
open,
now.
oh, great.
But it's to
Yeah,
the
yesterday it's like
UN.
we opened below. He's what?
He's talking to the UN. So I don't know if that's gonna move
Hmm.
the market at all.
I don't know. They're just looking like I'm gonna get stopped here.
Yeah, I think that was seller's chance to try to push to go make a new low with that
Yeah.
1007 candle.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, that candle, it like popped exactly off that trend, that like long-term 50% that I was saying I have. It's pretty much the bottom of orb, actually.
Wow, that candle was cool to look at on the DOM. It just like glided up. No fucking. The price ladder was like a steady rate climb. All right, so buyers at 59. See if every single buyer that has come in so far has been rejected. Let's see if they get rejected here.
Guys, I need more coffee. I'll be right
30,
back.
36 contracts came in on the buy side for at 59.
Yeah, these all-time highs are just always tough for me. I mean, it's like
That's
it's
why,
hard to it's tough to short, but it's hard to I mean, it's hard tough both ways.
yeah, I try to just kind of cut out, and the buyers ripped down again. Got ripped. That's why I try my best to just focus my bias on the previous day's bar.
Yeah.
If it closed green, my focus is on previous day high.
Mm-hmm.
All right, I'm trying a long here. Stop is 37. I'm in at the 4
No,
minutes. We'll
and
see.
NQ. Yeah.
Yeah, just a lot of wicks and support here around the
Mhm.
45s. And we did kind of put in a low at the 10 o'clock candle, sort of a higher low at the 10:03 candle, and another one at the 10:09. We'll see. Oh, almost stopped. This is going against the trend though, so
That's a nice candle for you there.
yeah, we'll see. I really want to see buyers step in and get accepted. So far, any big contracts that have come in have immediately rejected.
I'm surprised I didn't get stopped out on that last candle. It was like just under my stop.
My first target will be like the 67s, and then the next one I'll just see if I can hold the previous day high or maybe opening range.
There's no way this doesn't stop me out here for the third time.
I don't want to say I'm praying for your downfall, but
No, I mean it's totally cool. I'm like already accepted. I'm like, we are not accepting lower off of this. It's edged my stop loss like 3 times by 2 points. I'm at 64 or 60, yeah, 64 here.
I'm back. I see we've done nothing. Okay, good. Didn't miss anything. Oh, this is nice and fast.
all right, I'm back.
Welcome back.
Are you long, amped?
Yeah, I'm thinking I don't want to let my ego get in the way, and I might close it because I see a lot of buyers interested at the 60s, but we just can't get over it.
Yeah, it is tough here because like we're below, like we're already so far below all these like overnight and the highs from yesterday on NQ, but
Here we go. Let's see if
Oh,
we can get a push
this
through.
might be it here. This is like the
78.
London, I think, and Asia 50% at 751 ES. This is like where we kind of keep coming down and popping off of it. But we're below like the overnight pre-market highs.
The reason I'm just not looking short is because we're still within yesterday's value. We're just like chilling in a big low volume node, and just kind of filling it out. So if we were consolidating like this below yesterday's value, I'd probably be looking short.
Oh, wow.
No trades so far for me, at least with futures.
Big fat zero trades as well for me. Nothing.
I closed my position sort of 2 points of profit, but not gonna let my ego get in the way. I just can't get above 960. I think that has to be the level to get above to look for any longs.
I'm trying to just not like add into this more, just to shorten up my TP. Every time we get I don't know how that last scale didn't stop me out. It missed by 3 ticks.
Okay. Now we're getting this push to the downside. I don't know what. ES looking like it's struggling. ES gets back below the orb low is very interesting here. We have not closed the 5-minute candle below orb low yet today. If we do, we still have 3 minutes, but 2.5. Wow. 2 minutes. If we do, that'll be interesting for a short.
That's how you always play the orb? You always play a 5-minute body close
Yeah.
below the
Yes.
orb, right?
Yeah, that's me. Yeah. So I always use the 15-minute orb, and then any close above or below 5 minutes specifically, candle close above or below would be my entry. Right.
And
For
then do you just use
continuation.
that, and then you use that candle as a stop loss?
I use the midline of the orb as a stop loss.
Oh, gotcha. Yep.
Because it
So
very often it
whatever
comes back and tests the
50% is.
midline. Yep, exactly.
Gotcha.
Yep. So very, very often it'll come and test that midline again and then go for more continuation. So there are times too where I've tried both ways where I just take the momentum and take the close outside. And I've also tried it where I close outside. Okay, that's the short, wait for it to go midline and come back. I've found that more often than not, according to I was using some back testing software, that more often than not, you're better off just taking the actual the momentum versus waiting and trying to hope that it comes back to take it. So that's what I do most of the time. Not every day. It's a feel thing, right? If it's super choppy, then I'm normally not doing that, right? I don't, because that's usually when it doesn't work. So. I did a whole write-up on it at some point. I'll post it again in the Discord.
Yeah, I feel like I've heard so many different different ways people
Tons.
play it and strategies and.
Yeah. You can do the 1, the 5, the 15, the 30. I mean, there's everything. So you get to the hour, that's considered IB. Yeah, there's a lot of options. Three seconds. So we closed below the 5-minute and the 15-minute orb, closed the 5-minute candle below there. We just did the same thing with NQ. NQ was already below earlier today, came back up to not even the 50%, not even close to 50%. And now it's back below again. This to me screams like we want to get down to 900.
Oh, it's big volume coming in. Jeez.
Wow.
Here, don't want that. I do like how ES is back up into that orb low, kind of touching it, seeing what happens here, but NQ's gotten over the orb low again. So I'm not in love with this, honestly. Can't go on like a gut that says take a short. It's just not enough in it.
I'm looking for 745, 744 on ES.
Looking to come down and test that for a possible long ADR.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay. Yep. That's that pre-market low, right? So you can see it.
Jeez. I could really use a little Trump candle right now.
Have you scaled any out, or are you still in the core position?
I just got stopped out on that. No, I didn't take any off. I was in 8 micros. Well, I was in 5, and then I added what candle is this here? That like 954 candle. I added 3 more. I thought we were about to get a drop through orb, which we got only a little bit, but
Are you playing ES
um
or NQ?
no, NQ.
Orb? What orb?
15 minute.
Okay, yeah, I guess that is a pretty big orb. Alright, sellers stepping in and stepping it down. Let's see. Seller stepped in at 56 and then at 53. Trying another long with a stop at 48. Risky top of range. But these sellers couldn't push it down anymore, so we'll see.
Alrighty. Well, I'm gonna get out of here, guys. I should probably just walk away. Take my red.
Oh, you're right. How many trades do you take today?
I took 2 on these tradeifys, and then everything else is already locked up.
Nice. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty difficult day
I'll
today.
see you guys. Yeah, just not getting, and I don't know. I feel like I'm just not getting a read.
Yeah,
Don't want to keep pushing these. Alrighty, we'll see you guys.
yeah. Talk
Yep.
to you.
Later, LT.
See ya,
Yeah.
bro.
See you, man.
This is wild. This just, I mean, there's nothing here, guys. Real tough. Real tough to trade this.
Gotta be patient. Oh.
Finally break out of this like 960 area, or are we just gonna chill? And if we get a 960, you still have 970 above, right? Like it's still a level we could struggle at. So even over 960, we're not out of the woods.
Okay, we have 745 here in ES. Can still go a little bit lower to 744. Let's see if it's gonna hold.
Trying another long here. Pretty tight. I got in at 51. Stop is 47.
Yeah, it's looking pretty good so far.
If we get it, I'm looking for overnight low and then trail the runner.
Oh shoot. Oh, by the way, I'm not trading today with a challenge. I'm trading with other accounts.
One thing that I'm seeing is every attempt at sellers to push price down, like with more aggressive sellers, we end up kind of just making a higher low.
Does that lead you to believe that there's probably more of a long setup here than a short? I mean, I'm
Personally,
honestly
yeah.
very
Already long
impartial
bias
right
for the
now.
day.
Sure.
I'd like to see it stay above 54. There's an aggressive seller that came in there.
Wow, for such a good such a good trading day yesterday. Today just feels like the complete opposite. Lala, it's a holiday? What's it a holiday for?
Today? Right?
So Lala just posted in the chat that today is a holiday. I don't.
No, I don't think today's a holiday. It's not a holiday unless banks are closed.
Rosh Hashanah. Yeah, okay. Yeah. We have that here at work too. We have a lot of people that celebrate that, but I don't that's
Yeah, in terms of
the
market, unless the
the
banks are
impact
closed, it's not really considered.
yeah, the impact of that on the market is probably very negligible.
Nice.
Looked away from the charts. I looked over when you said nice, and I was like, oh, okay. It still feels like we haven't done a damn thing.
I took some
Oh
profits
god.
there.
At least for this
Oh,
1
good.
minute cluster.
Nice.
We've been
This, I mean, I
holding
want to. We break out of
950s
this.
for a bit. There we go. I just want to see
Okay.
a buyer step in. Like, I mean,
Can
buyers
open
are
the
stepping in, but I just want to see a bigger one.
970. Still got to get over that 970 too.
Yeah, my first take profits
Beautiful.
at
I'm gonna
There we
sell
go.
one more.
There we go.
2. All right, nice. First
There we
take
go.
profit
Good job,
is
guys.
hit.
I'm gonna sell another one, holding one only. I gone in with 5 minis.
Whoa. Ayo.
Dude, I was just in with 2. I got in at
Damn.
51. Now, do I want to sell all of it here at VWAP or hold?
Well, do we hold 70 here?
I'm gonna be all out, yeah. I like it. I got 500 per account. I'm good. I don't wanna babysit this. NQ needs to break this 970, like pre-market low, if we want to see more upside.
Oh, were you in ES?
Yeah, I
ADR?
was in ES, yes.
Okay. Okay.
Mhm.
I was like, I'm trying to do the math. I'm like 5
Yeah, I'm
minis,
sorry. Like,
500, and NQ is like a blip.
yeah. I was in
Got
ES.
it.
I'm
Okay.
noticing that I'm trading better when I trade at least ES levels.
Okay.
Like sometimes I can take it with NQ, but based on ES. Based on ES chart. I do better when I do that, when I'm like when my setup I see it on ES. You're noticing that NQ, it's been like faking me out, and I don't know, I'm not having luck trading NQ lately.
I think what I've noticed about ES the most is that it respects
Looks like
levels
I
way
might get
different.
stopped,
Yeah.
break even.
Look at that
I'm in at
reaction on
51.
NQ.
Stop is at 52.
Yeah.
Yeah, right into VWAP and overnight low. I should have taken
Mhm.
both contracts off.
Yeah, that 70 was going to be tough. Might be tough.
Yeah, I
I
got
think the one thing
stopped.
I've noticed with ES ADR is that it for levels, it respects levels much better. NQ, when you have a level, there's like a 10 to 15 point swing in a level sometimes, right?
Mhm.
Like there's some movement there. ES kind of sticks the level a little bit tighter. And I think that can sometimes be easier to trade.
Yeah. That was an ugly reaction. But
Yeah.
at the same time, it was perfect. That pre-market low reaction on NQ, really nice. But ES is still holding support.
Try another long here just for the see if we still hold. I'm in at 52. The stop at 47.
We have 1 hour of choppy mess on NQ.
All right, stopped. I'd love to see this being the push down into the 920s. Actually, I might try to get in long again around here. See if the B period halfback holds. I'm gonna wait for actual buyers to come in though before I. Was that rejection like initial balance mid as well? Ish.
I like this ES hold. I really like it. Why don't you guys trade gold? Because I'm fine trading NQ and ES. I don't like how gold move. Maybe it's moving a lot right now, but it's not like that always.
It's better to trade it in the overnight session.
Oh yeah,
If you're a
I'm not gonna
Globex
do
trader. All right. So
that.
I see some buyers here. See if we can accept above 52s. Or if we reject here. Just like every other buyer that's come in gets rejected.
Yeah, ES is definitely trading on a range.
I'm long. I got long at 54.
Mm. Yeah, I traded that again on ES. The 45. Yeah, I think it's been very choppy. Yes. Surprisingly, I'm having a very nice day today. 242 trading ES. And had a really nice place on with options. So I think I'm done. Well, I need one
Yeah,
more
I think I'm done
trade.
for now.
I have one account that I need to move, or a couple accounts that I need to move, so maybe wait a little bit to see if I can find another trade. Maybe the 980 hold or 976 hold on NQ if goes there.
I'm just gonna wait for Powell. No,
Mm.
no more trades for me.
Oh, Powell can be a nice one to pass evals.
Stop on that long. Honestly, I should just be playing the profile that we have on the day. Buying like the 40s, selling the 60s.
Yes, looks like it wants to go down again to 744, 745. Another hold here. Another 745 hold on ES. Or maybe not. Okay. Maybe this time I get the 600 level on the QQQ. Yeah, still trying to hold here. Yeah, sometimes when I like a trade, I go a little bit heavier. I go with 5 minis. Okay, guys, I'm done. Just watch out this 744, 745 level on ES. If you cannot hold this, just wait for a break and retest to the downside. Watch out for the 600 level on QQQ. But I'm done for today. This is too choppy to watch this. It's getting boring and I'm hungry. So I'll see you guys mañana. Bye.
See you guys.